Hey guys, Luck here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna talk about the InPods12. After using them for a month, I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts on this, how good they are, if you guys should pick this up, and how sturdy they've lasted me all through the months that I've used them. So first of all, let's just talk about the build quality. The build quality of this, it has a matte finish, which I think is really good, really useful. And I really don't like the AirPods clones that have the glossy finish. They don't really look so good. Something I don't like about my version of the InPods, because other version of the InPods have the lightning ports, but my version of the InPods have the micro USB ports. So definitely, if you guys pick up the InPods, then you guys should look for the variation with the lightning connector, because it's definitely more comfortable to use, because you just need to carry one charger both for your phone and for the InPods. But if you use an Android phone that uses a micro USB connector, then I mean that's okay. I mean it's gonna be comfortable for you guys to use. So talking about the battery life, on a normal day it lasts me about, let's say, 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours, depending on how I use it, if I am constantly using it. But if I'm not constantly using it, then it goes a pretty long way, which I think is really good. And when we talk about the sound quality, let me just play a music for you guys so you guys can listen to the sound quality, then decide yourself. As you guys can see, the sound quality is pretty good. And obviously, because the InPods come in the macaron colors, which is something I really love, the blue, yellow, pink, green, but it also has a metallic version. Apart from the macaron ones, it has, I think, gold metallic, black metallic, so it has different versions for any of the AirPods you want to pick up. So I think this, for someone that likes the colorful AirPods, for someone that likes to stand out, I think this is really good. And especially with the fact that the sound quality coming from the AirPods themselves are really exceptional. They're really good. I think anyone that picks this up will definitely not be disappointed. I've compared this with the Apple AirPods. Although the Apple AirPods are better, I don't think it's significantly better. I don't think the distance is so much, especially when you're looking at the price differences between the both of them. I think definitely the InPods are worth picking up for anyone, and especially with the fact that you can really use this for a long time, because over the month I've been using it, I've not really had any problem with it, with the battery life, how long the battery lasts. I've not had any problem with any of that, which I think is really good for a device that comes in at under $10. I think that's really good. It's definitely worth the amount for anyone that feels like picking this up. So I'm gonna leave a link for the InPods12s down in the description, and if you guys are interested in picking it up, then you guys can check the link. And I hope you guys liked the video. Please, if you liked it, leave a like, and if you loved it, please sub. See you guys in the next one.